Welcome and good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all fine and good. And thank God for this wonderful day. And one more thing, children, don't waste these holidays. Try to learn something in an useful manner. Okay, so today we are going to learn the next topic in maths. Shall we start, children? The next topic is odd and even numbers. Before we enter into the topic, just listen to this song, children.
Of numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are some of our even numbers. Even and odd, two different sets of numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are some of our odd numbers. I saw 4 hermit crabs and 6 tropical fish. Even numbers of crabs and fish I saw at the beach. You saw 3 beautiful flowers and 5 colorful birds. Odd numbers of flowers and birds you saw in the mountains. Even and odd, two different sets of numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are some of our even numbers. Even and odd, two different sets of numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are some of our odd numbers.
Okay, children. Now we will see what is even and what is odd. First, even. Even number is nothing but a number that can be divided into two equal groups. A number that can be divided into two equal groups. So, even number can be divided equally. For example, see here, there are 14 apples are given. They divided this 14 apple by two equal groups. That is, in first group 7 apples and in the second group 7 apples. So this is called as even. So what is even number? Even number is nothing but a number that can be divided into two equal groups. Okay, the next one is even number chart. In this, the number from 1 to 100 which are highlighted vertically in pink color is called, those numbers are called even numbers. Listen, children, the numbers from 1 to 100 which are highlighted vertically in pink color, those numbers are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. up to 100. Next, we are going to see how to pair the objects if the objects given in even number. Here 10 flowers are given. They pair the 10 flowers by 5 groups. In each group, 2 flowers are paired. So, even number can be equally paired. So, even number end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If the number end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, those numbers are called even numbers. So the next one is odd. Odd number is nothing but a number that cannot be divided into two equal groups. So odd number is nothing but a number that cannot be divided into two equal groups. The same way, odd number chart is given. The numbers from 1 to 100 which are highlighted vertically in blue color, those numbers are called odd numbers. The numbers from 1 to 100 which are highlighted blue color in vertically, those numbers are called odd numbers. Same way children, here 9 ducks are given. So 8 ducks are paired equally and 1 was left out because it is odd. So odd numbers, it cannot be divided equally. So if the number end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, those numbers are called odd numbers. If the number end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, those numbers are called odd numbers. So now you understood what is even and what is odd. So even number is nothing but a number that can be divided equally by two groups. And the number end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers. Odd number is nothing but a number that cannot be divided equally by two groups. And the number end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, those numbers are called odd numbers. So next it's an activity time. Before that, just listen this song children.
Even and odd numbers. Numbers are great for counting things. All whole numbers can be known as either an even number or an odd number. Even numbers are any whole number that can be divided by 2. Odd numbers are whole numbers that can't be divided by 2. Some even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 20. Some odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 19. One way you can see if a number is even or odd is to try grouping it into 2s. If there is 1 left over, then it is an odd number. If there are no extra numbers, then it is even. Let's try it. Is 15 an even number or an odd number? That's right, it's an odd number. Is 14 an odd number or an even number? That's right, it's an even number. Let's try some harder ones. Is 26 an odd or an even number? That's right, it's an even number. How about 33? Is 33 an odd or an even number? That's right, it is an odd number. You're getting pretty good at this. Try counting things at your house now. Are they even or odd numbers? Thanks for watching.
Okay children, now you clearly understood what is even and what is odd. Next we'll see the activities. So the first activity is circle the boxes and find out the number of hearts which are even or odd. See the first box, 4 hearts are given. 4 is an even number, so it is even. Next, 7 hearts are given. 7 is an odd number, so it is odd. Next, 5 hearts are given. 5 is an odd number, so it is odd. Next, 2 hearts are given. 2 is an even number, so it is even. Next, 6 hearts are given. It is equally paired, so it is even. The next one is circle the correct answer. Some of the numbers are given, so we have to find out whether it is even or odd. If 2 numbers are given means you have to see the last number. See the first box, 24 is given. The last number is 4. If the number end with 4, it is even. Next 25, it is odd. 26 is given. It is even. Next 27, the number end with 7, it is odd. Next 28, it is even. 29, the number end with 9, so it is odd number. Next 30 is given. The last number is 0, so it is even number. And finally 31, it is odd number. So the next activity is count the blocks, write the number, circle odd or even. See the first one, 5 blocks are given. 4 blocks are equally paired and 1 was left out, so it is odd number. Next 2 blocks are given, it is even. Next 6 blocks are given, so 6 is equally paired, so it is even number. Next 8 blocks are given. 8 was equally paired by 2 groups, so it is even number. Next 3 blocks are given, so 2 was paired and 1 was left out, so it is odd number. And the last one is 10 blocks are given. 10 is an even number and it was paired by 5 groups, so it is even number. And the last activity is circle the even number. Only you have to find out even number. See the first one, the number 11 and 10 is given, which is even 10 because the last number end with 0, so it is even number. And the next one, 10 and 19 is given, which is even 10. The number 19 and 20 is given, so the even number is 20. 20 and 15 is given, which is even 20. The number 8 and 7 is given, so the even number is 8. 16 and 15 is given, so the even number is 16. The number 11 and 18 is given, which is even 18 because the number end with 8, it is called even number. Next one, the number 3 and 8 is given, so the even number is 8. The next one, 8 and 5 is given, the even number is 8. 12 and 19 is given, the even number is 12. The number 12 and 11 is given, here the even number is 12. The last one is the number 7 and 6 has given, so the even number is 6. So now you understood what is even and what is odd. Just we recap, children. So even number is nothing but a number that can be divided equally by 2 groups is called even number, and the number end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers. Odd number is nothing but a number that cannot be divided equally by 2 groups is called odd numbers, and the number end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called, those numbers are called odd numbers. So that's all about odd and even numbers. Just practice all the activities in your home that we learned today so that you won't forget. So that's all about today's class, children. Be safe in your home. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you, children.